Today we're diving into the StarryHub Pro hybrid meeting solution for both immersive presentations and seamless video conferencing. Let's unbox it and explore what this powerful device has to offer. First up, let's take a look at what's inside the box. We got the StarryHub main unit itself, a power adapter, touchboard, click drop, and quick user guide. Everything you need to get started is right here. The StarryHub features a sleek design with 2200 ANSI looms for a crisp 30 to 100 inch display. I recommend a screen size between 80 and 100 inches for the best experience depending on your room setup. For video conferencing, the StarryHub is equipped with a 1080p camera that offers a wide 120-degree range as well as auto framing. It also has 6 AI-enhanced microphones that pick up voices clearly, even from 10 meters away, and it filters out speaker voices and reduces ambient noise like noise reduction. Here's the touchpad placement area. Just pop the touchpad back here when it's not in use, and it'll automatically charge while the projector goes to sleep. With multiple connectivity options including USB 2.0, USB 3.0, HDMI, and LAN, the StarryHub makes it easy to connect all your devices for presentation, streaming, and more. This is the power button. Press it for 1 second to start the machine. The StarryHub also offers easy pairing with the touchboard and click drop. Trackpad pairing. Keep the trackpad and StarryHub turned on and press and hold the upper left button for 3 seconds until the indicator light flashes. Put it back here, the charging plates of the trackpad. The indicator light is always on and the pairing is successful. For other operation functions, you can refer to the operation instructions on the back of the trackpad, which are very detailed. Use click drop to share the screen to the StarryHub. Plug click drop into the USB interface of the StarryHub for the first time. When there's a pop-up on the Windows StarryHub projector screen indicating successful pairing, you can unplug the click drop. Plug the click drop into your computer. When the LED indicator of the click drop is steady blue, you can cast the computer screen to the StarryHub by pressing the click drop button. If you're using a Windows computer to project your screen to StarryHub for the first time after plugging in click drop, the driver interface will pop up and you only need to double click to run the drivers to connect click drop. And that's it. The StarryHub is your versatile solution for both professional and personal use. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check it out today.